My dear fellow collectors, I would like to show you some of my results that I made with my silicone mold. The first one has a missing top and missing fingers. I had several similar results like this one, where you have a hole here, missing fingers again, and another time missing fingers, missing fingers, missing fingers. Some are better, some attempts are better, and some are not so good. And from the hands, I also have lots of hands, but they also have the problem of missing fingers. Here is a better one, but not perfect. Here we have 4. Here I also have 4 fingers. And another time 4 fingers. Et voila, 4 fingers again. Oh. And here is the only attempt where I have 5 fingers, but it's shorter on the back. So I think the problem to get a good model is that you should not make a mold in one piece. I think I need 2 or 3 pieces from my mold to make a perfect arm. So let's continue our journey from the perfect arm. For my second attempt, I have prepared the arm in my yogurt pudding jar, and I'm going to fill it up until here, until the arm. The hand is itself covered with silicone, and then we are going to let me explain it in the next section what I really plan to do. I don't want to forget you to show my my glass that I used for the big silicone form I showed you in this video. My first try, my first attempt, and after using it 5 or 6 times, the glass looked like this, and you should probably use an old glass that you don't need anymore, where it's no problem when you get silicone inside it. Ich mache das Ganze jetzt nochmal. Now we do the whole thing again. I already showed you in my last video. We need less, just 40 grams. That's a bit too much. 2 grams too much. Just shivering again. Good. We have 40 grams here. Blue stuff. Silicone, and now the hardener, jetzt der Härter. And now let's start. We also need here 40 Gramm. Wir brauchen auch hiervon 40 Gramm wieder mal. Und schauen wir mal, wie weit wir damit kommen. No, just one too less. Not enough. Let's see. No. Okay, wir have 40 grams. Wir haben jetzt genau 40 Gramm. So, lasst uns wieder mischen. This time we use a spatula for getting the white stuff out. I think it's going to be easier. Let's see. The last time I had problems to get all the white stuff out. A hardener. Also das letzte Mal hatte ich Probleme, das weiße Zeug wirklich komplett rauszubekommen. Probieren wir es mal. Let's try this way. Maybe it works better. We can put it in the dishwasher later. Ich habe eine Geschirrspülmaschine. Ich werde das Ding mal mit in die Geschirrspülmaschine packen. White is empty now. Okay, now should have everything in our mixing pot. The blue stuff is still on the side a little bit. Also das Zeug ist noch ein bisschen am Rand hier. Wir wollen ja, das ist 1:1, we want a mixture 1:1. And now I have to mix. Jetzt muss ich eine Minute lang mischen. Spät ist es. Okay. Let's see what we get. Na, lasst uns mal gucken, was da rauskommt. I have no idea what we will this time. I feel it becomes a little bit tougher to stir. Ich merke gerade, dass das Rühren schon ein bisschen schwieriger wird. Das müsste gleich fertig sein. Just a second. Now, let's put it, fill it in our Okay, I still have silicone in here. I just have to get it out of my pot here. I still have plenty of it in here. You can see it, it's still a lot in here. The question is how to get it in my little pot the best way, because it starts to become hard. I don't know what's the right expression. Ich weiß nicht, was der richtige Ausdruck ist. Es fängt schon an auszuhärten. Ich merke das gerade schon. Das Zeug wird zähflüssig. Okay. So my arm is covered now. We can use a spatula here to. But I feel it. It's getting a different surface right now, and I have to work fast, in a fast way. Okay, I think we have it for the moment.